Did you know that PropStream was designed for real estate professionals like yourself? That's right. So whether you're just starting your journey or perhaps you've been in this game for a while, PropStream can be used by real estate agents, lenders, investors, you name it. Don't believe me? Let's start with our database. You're going to have access to over 160 million property records. So you can search an address or click on a parcel in PropStream and get extensive property information. From property details to demographics happening around the property, tax information, linked properties that shows you other properties they own, mortgage information, and even the ability to run comps using public and nationwide MLS data. Perhaps you want to know how much that kitchen is going to cost. Check out our rehab calculator. Maybe you want to know how many owners are on the property. You can purchase documents directly through PropStream, such as the deed. And if you thought that was it, PropStream gives you 120 plus search filters and 20 lead lists to choose from. So if you don't have a property to search, let's find you one. You're going to be able to search any market and use these filters to identify on or off market assets that require your attention. And if you think that's it, PropStream's also riddled with additional resources, like skip tracing to get contact information, marketing, which will set you up with the landing page, send postcards on your behalf, and even emails. What? You're never in the office? Well, then check out PropStream Mobile. Our PropStream Mobile gives you all this information out there on the field. So if you need property information on that abandoned property, perhaps you want to get the contact information by skip tracing it. Maybe you want to send a postcard to the homeowner who's obviously not there. PropStream Mobile has you covered. Don't know where to get started? Have you checked out our free PropStream Academy? That's right. Again, whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned investor, PropStream Academy has resources and courses designed just for you. So what are you waiting for? Your 7-day trial period is just one click away here at the bottom.